The first step in onboarding a new potential home shopper to your custom LoanBot always begins with your unique LoanBot link. You'll find this link in your dashboard, and it can be shared via text message, email, or even embedded into ads to generate new leads. Once your client clicks your custom link, they'll be directed to your personalized landing page. Here, LoanBot sets clear expectations for a quick and easy onboarding process, guiding them through a series of vital questions that allow LoanBot to generate tailored loan recommendations. Let's speed things up a bit. After completing the initial onboarding questions, your client will be prompted to create a secure account by setting a password or signing in with Google or Facebook. Once that's complete, they'll be redirected to download the LoanBot app, available in both the Apple App Store and Google Play. Now that your customer has downloaded the LoanBot app to their mobile device, consider them connected to you, their expert mortgage advisor. Within their personal dashboard, they can easily calculate estimated monthly payments using Optimal Blue's Rate plugin. As they scroll further, they'll see the loan matches LoanBot has carefully selected based on their unique criteria. These loan programs can be saved, studied, and compared, all within their dashboard. If they're curious about why they didn't qualify for certain programs, they can simply click Show Programs That Don't Match. This reveals an itemized breakdown explaining exactly which criteria didn't meet the program's basic requirements. And if they have any questions, you're just one click away. They can reach out directly by clicking Here, or by visiting the Experts tab, which also includes your application link, ready for when they decide to move forward with the buying process. Now, let's take a quick dive into your dashboard so you can see the features designed to help you win more deals. Upon logging in, the first thing you'll notice is your custom link, the same link that kicks off every shopper's journey. Within your dashboard, you'll find several powerful tools and tabs. Activity, track recent engagement and activity. Contacts, manage your LoanBot users. When you click on a shopper, you'll see all the information they provided during onboarding, plus our newest feature, which allows you to impersonate the shopper. This lets you hand-select programs or add properties you'd like to review with them. Partners, add and manage your Realtor referral partners. You can even create co-branded LoanBots for your partners to help them generate leads too. Integrations, connect LoanBot to your CRM through Zapier or Total Expert. Programs, browse the extensive library of loan programs available to you and your company. Toolkit, access helpful how-to guides, resources, and blogs. Support, need help? Our team is always standing by to assist you. LoanBot was built by loan officers for loan officers to keep your customers engaged and loyal by pulling back the curtain and showing them real, transparent loan data. It positions you as the go-to expert for their mortgage needs, while giving your referral partners the ability to become the source, not just the search. Because let's face it, your customers are already searching online for this information. Wouldn't it be better if they got it directly from you? Want to learn more about LoanBot? Schedule a demo with our team. Or, if you're ready to join the revolution, start your free 30-day trial at loanbot.com. LoanBot, smarter mortgage matching.